On January 10, Iqoo11 will make its debut in India and will be the first phone in the nation to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. And as quite well known, Iqoo again has broken the record for fastest Android device on Antutu benchmark. More on this later. The Iqoo11 has a 6.78-inch AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, a 20:9 aspect ratio, HDR10+, a variable refresh rate of 1 to 144 Hz, 1.07 billion colors, a DCI-P3 color gamut, a maximum brightness of 1800 nits, and 1440 Hz PWM dimming. Before we deep dive into it, if you find the content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more viewers. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, along with an Adreno GPU, up to 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage, functions as the phone's powerhouse. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 120W fast charging. It runs Android 13 OS. In terms of optics, the Iqoo11 boasts 3 cameras on the back, an 8MP ultra-wide camera with an f/2.2 aperture, a 13MP 2x telephoto camera with an f/2.46 aperture, and a 50MP primary Samsung GN5 sensor with an f/1.88 aperture, OIS, and LED flash. The front has a 16MP camera for taking selfies and making video calls. The phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor for security, an infrared sensor, dual speakers, USB Type-C audio, and hi-fi audio features. Thanks to a trustworthy business source, My Smart Price was able to obtain the Iqoo11 Antutu score. According to the image, the flagship's Antutu score of 1323, 820 points is the best of any Android smartphone to yet. The Iqoo achieved a staggering 607, 822 points in the GPU test and 270, 987 points in the CPU test. The device's RAM and user experience received scores of 244, 782, and 200, 229 points, respectively. Recall that the Iqoo11 has LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 4.0 storage as standard equipment. The phone has outperformed the Xiaomi 12T Pro, ROG Phone 6, and ROG Phone 6 Pro, among other devices. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such tech updates. Thanks.